Hey guys, my name is Yash Saudari, a digital entrepreneur and affiliate marketer. So in this video, I am going to tell you about what to sell. So simply we need to understand that what kind of problems are solved by our product. So to understand that what to sell is very important. Unless and until you sort it out for yourself that what you have to sell, you you always stuck up, you always stuck in something. So it is very important to sort out that what you have to sell. So simply in this video I am going to tell you about 3 to 4 parameters which you have to check whether your product or service is fulfilling all of them. So the first of all, understand that what kind of problem your product will solve for the people. So which is very big problem in today's world, in today's market, and what kind of product or service or content do you have that will help the people to solve their problem and get comfort in their life. So first of all, find out that what kind of problem your product will solve for the people. So the second parameter is your product must be long lasting. So you should imagine that, you should thought of your product that what will be the use of your product in upcoming 5 years. So you can get a rough idea about your product that will it be useful for next 5 years. If someone will purchase the product in next 5 years, will still it be useful for those people. So you need to check that how long lasting your product, content or course is going to be. So the another third parameter is going to be the targeted audience. Whatever niche you are working in, whatever business you are doing, so understand your targeted audience. So you need to have a broader audience, a larger market to scale your business. So simply if we take the example that communication skill is a very essential skill. Every individual needs to learn this skill. So you may think all over the world everyone needs to learn the communication skill. So if you are selling the communication skill program, so you have a much and great more audience. So you can say that all over the world you have your broader audience. So broader the audience, the better chance to scale your business up. And next category, next parameter to check is that your product must be scalable. So in initial days you might start with any business or any product. So you may have it at smaller level, and gradually you have to scale your business to scale your profits and revenue, right? So understand whether you can scale your product or business. So it is very important. For example, you have a restaurant. So if you are opening a small restaurant in initial stage, so you must have that vision that how will you scale your restaurant. So you might open franchises, or you might open another branch of your hotel by yourself, or you may give franchises to others. So you need to think about that how will your product will be scaled in coming years. So if your product, if you have existing product, then come check out that whether your product is fulfilling all of this parameter. And if you are planning to start with any new business, planning to start selling of any product, so kindly check out if all of these parameters are fulfilled by your product or not. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.